Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this rib stitch. Okay, so it's got some stretch to it. It's good for glove cuffs, but I've done it on a washcloth and these two purses. Okay, it's a nice textured stitch. Okay, all you need is whatever yarn that you are using for whatever project you're doing and the appropriate size hook. Okay, so I'll just show you a sample piece. So just make a slip knot and just chain however many you need, whether it's for gloves or washcloths. That'll be enough. Okay, and then I always skip one, that's a turning chain, and just single crochet in the next one and all the way along. Okay, just a regular single crochet. Right, just like that. Then all you need to do is chain one, turn, and you want to insert your hook. So there's the chain. You want to insert your hook into the last stitch you made through the center, and you just single crochet in the back loop only. Okay, so for the next one, it's the exact same. In through the center of the stitch, back loop only, single crochet. Okay, so you can see the front loops there. Okay, and at the end, chain one again and turn. So that's what one side looks like, and there's a rib on that side. So just go in through the last stitch you made, back loop only, single crochet. Okay, so this is how it looks after a few rows. And all you do is go through the center of the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull. So just the center of the stitch, back loop only, and single crochet. Okay, back loop only. And when you get to the end, you just chain one and turn and do the exact same thing. Okay, let me know in the comments what you guys make with this stitch. Okay, it's a lot easier to see in this one. Okay, so these are all the front loops. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.